Today we made a table desk lamp. Let's get to it. As you can see here, we are printing the main base frame and the lamp shade. This will be removing it with a satisfying click. This is the diffusers for the LEDs so that the light shines through in a nice ambient glow. Removing the supports from the main lamp shade. Removing the supports from the base. Cleaning up the brim from the printing process. Sanding to get a smooth finish on the base. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of doing the main body. Sanding the diffusers to get a more ambient glow than with the normal printing. Give it a matte finish. Same with the side diffusers. Just cleaning up the rest of the base to remove any sharp edges. Yeah, I'll be gluing up the TPR feet. TPR is similar to TPU, it's just a thermoplastic rubber instead of a thermoplastic polymer. It has a bit more grip than normal TPU has. Spraying on some activator so the super glue cures quickly. Rubbing on some plastic polish to give it a more smooth look than with just rough sanding. This is where I click in the controller for the LED strip. As you can see, it fits quite snugly. And now I'm just running through the LED strip for the rest of the assembly process. Threading through the LED strip so I can just screw the lamp into place. Just peeling off the glue strip so that we can start gluing in LED. We will have to start the LED on the opposite side of where it runs through so that you can feed the remaining slack of it back into the base. Just making sure that it's nice and straight, as it was a bit skew there. clipping of the 3M backing on the sticky part. Now I'm just inserting the diffusers. You have to do the bottom and then the top, and then you just put in the side pieces. The last side piece takes a bit to press in. As you can see, I'm struggling a bit to get it in. You have to like bend it to snap it into place, but once it's in there, it's not gonna fall out. I'm just popping in the base plate to cover everything up nice and neatly. Now we're moving on to the reveal. So guys, please let me know if you have any other ideas I should make and any recommendations or any other projects. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Enjoy.
Oh wow!